Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Dipanshi. Welcome to my channel. Today's look is a recreation of Deepika Padukone's look. So it's an inspired look of Met Gala 2019 in which she spotted in a pink gown. Resembling real-life Barbie, the actress completed her dramatic look with a pair of diamond earrings. Her sensational makeup look amped her entire look as Deepika's makeup featured shade of violet with graphic eyes and a bold matte pout. So I'll be showing each and every step of this look in this video. So I have already cleansed and toned my skin. Now I'm applying this moisturizer to give my skin a plumper look. This is one of the most important yet overlooked makeup step to moisturize your skin with a moisturizer. Next, I am applying primer in the T-zone of my face to smoothen out all the pores to get a flawless makeup base, and for which I am taking this Blue Heaven makeup primer. After applying the primer, I'll be filling my eyebrows with a brow pencil which is from Miss Claire in the shade black, and I'm again blending with a spoolie brush to achieve a natural yet best shape of my eyebrows. Now with the help of a concealer, I'm concealing my eyebrows to get a sharp and defined look. Again, I'm using a lighter shade concealer which is from NYB to make my eyeshadows pop. You can also use an eyeshadow primer on your eyelids. I'm blending the concealer with the help of a beauty blender, and I'm using this Lakme rose powder to set my eyelids so that it doesn't crease. Next, I'm picking up the silver highlighting shade from the Miss Claire palette. I'll be first highlighting my eyebrow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Alright, I'm very excited to share this eyeshadow palette with you guys. This is the Ucanbe Pretty All Set palette which come up with 86 beautiful shades. It has shimmers, it has beautiful metallic shades, it has neutrals, and I love this palette. So picking up this purple shade, I'll be blending it on my outer V. I'll be winging it on the outer corner of my eye so that it gives a look of graphic eyeliner, and I'll be using a pencil brush for a smoother and defined application. Next, I'm taking up this big fluffy brush to blend the eyeshadows. Now I'm picking an amethyst pink eyeshadow and I'm applying it to the center of my eyelid with the help of a flat shader brush for the beautiful pigmentation. I'm not crossing over the crease. Next, picking up this beautiful glittery purple shade from the same palette, I'll be applying over the purple shade. Now, picking up this beautiful pink shade, I'll be applying on the area where I have applied pink shade. Next, using a concealer, you have to clean the areas, the edges, to achieve a sharper and beautiful effect. Okay, coming up to the base, I'm first using this Stay Quirky orange corrector. It is beautifully pigmented. And next, I am setting it with a loose powder so that it doesn't mix with the further steps. Next, I am taking this foundation from Maybelline, which is Super Stay Foundation, and I'm blending it with a damp beauty blender. Next, I am concealing my blemishes with a concealer to achieve a flawless base, for which I am using here is Olivia panstick in the shade number 5, but you can use whatever brand you are comfortable with. And I'm again blending with the same damp beauty sponge. You have to apply the concealer on the bridge of your nose, under eyes, center of your forehead, cupid's bow, chin area. Next, for my blush, I'm using this beautiful pink shade from Miss Claire, and I'm applying on the usual area where we apply blush. And again, it's a cream product, so I'm blending it with a beauty sponge. So before ongoing makeup, I am prepping my lips for the liquid lipstick. To set my base, I'm using here the Lakme rose powder, and I'm applying first on my under eyes because I don't want fine lines and patches on my base. But you can also use a compact powder if you don't want to layer loose powder onto your skin. I'm using this Miss Claire palette to contour my face, basically in the hollows of my cheekbones as well as my jawline, hairline and nose. For my nose contouring, I'll be using a small precise brush for the easier application of contour. Going back to the eye makeup, her inner corner was pretty lit, and for that I will apply the white glitter shade in my inner corners, extending it to the middle, upper as well as lower lash line. Once the base makeup is done, I will move on to my lips. Now for my perfect berry red lips, I will be using these two gorgeous shades for my lips. For my lower waterline, I'll be using pearly white pencil again from Miss Claire. Alright, that was all for the makeup part. Let's move on to the hairstyle part. I hope you will enjoy. For my hairstyle, I'll be using two clipped in hair extension. First, I'm going to put all my hairs together and I'm making a bun here. So I'm going to attach this clipped in hair extension over my bun to cover it all. This will give extra volume to my upcoming hair extension, which I'll be wearing on top over my extension. Here I have again wear a curly clipped in extension on which I have put on a pearly white hairband to achieve the inspired look. I have completed the look with a pair of earrings. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also comment down to let me know what you guys think about this look. I'll see you in my next video guys. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay healthy.